Yoga, business, work, shop, don't stop, get that guap. When you get bank, it is good. Teach yoga in the parks, in the hood. Yoga teachers, it's your time to step up so abundance finds you. Back in the day, when I first became a yoga teacher, it was the ideal thing to be teaching with a big studio chain. The more classes or primetime slots you had, the more status, and usually the more money too. That has all changed nowadays. Get with the times. In this video, we will go over what's wrong with the old way of doing things and how you can win as a yoga teacher without ever teaching in a yoga studio or gym. Watch to the end of the video for the chance to join me in on a free seminar just for yoga entrepreneurs and influencers. Namaste, yoga leaders. My name is Alicia, and on the Mastermind.Yoga YouTube channel, no topic is taboo. I help yoga teachers and yoga lovers to see the real deal in the yoga world, no filters. So if you aren't subscribed to the channel, subscribe and caress the notification bell so that you know every time a new yoga YouTube video drops. The problem with the old way of thinking yoga studio clout was the way to go is that yoga teachers were at the mercy of the schedule, the metrics, the budget, and the clientele of the yoga studio or gym. You could be making as little as $25 for 1 hour of teaching, not including the prep time to create your sequence, the 15 to 30 minutes they ask you to arrive prior to teaching for student connection, and the 15 minutes following class, sometimes more when you have a chatty student. And then they got the complaints and the this and the that, like there's so many things. That's almost 2 hours, not even accounting for your travel time. So for that $25 for that 2 hours, that's $13 an hour or so. That's less than minimum wage in some places. So if you're trying to replace a full-time salary with yoga teaching, you're going to be teaching multiple times a day, even when you feel drained, and you just have to get over it and do it because you have to make ends meet. However, on the flip side, all you did was teach. So you didn't have to go and find the students with marketing. You didn't have to do billing. You didn't have to do a website. You didn't have to maintain studio software or maintain your studio location. So there was a trade-off for just showing up and teaching yoga. The possibility, however, in this new reality that we have is that you can host virtual classes yourself or plug into virtual studios. You can teach on YouTube. You can teach in corporate America. You can be a yoga model on billboards, in magazines, in movies. You can do so many things with your knowledge of yoga. There is no limit. I know that for myself, I felt a relief when the world went quarantine the first time. I realized how much I had poured into the studio and the hectic schedule I created for myself, where I was teaching 3 times these days and this, it was crazy. So when everyone went indoors, I could finally pour my energy into the Mastermind.Yoga teacher training program development. So just like you have dreams, you have visions of how you want to impact the world through yoga, that's what yoga entrepreneurship is all about. That's what yoga entrepreneurship affords you. That's what it makes possible. The principle is that you create your own independent vision. When you have the vision, you are able to make decisions on how to proceed. So if you take nothing away from this video, create a vision, Because you can choose something without fear that you'll commit and then you'll regret it later because it's not what you really wanted. Knowing what you want, it doesn't even have to be this huge thing. You can just start with one piece of the puzzle. Create a vision for what you want your schedule to look like. Create a vision for what type of students that you want to create. That vision can plug into other areas like a puzzle piece. Let's say you want to be a yoga teacher for retreats around the world. You have to know what type of yoga you want to teach, you want to specialize in, what type of experience that you want to create, what type of clientele you desire to serve, so that you can build on that vision. You can build on that branding, the business back-end, the social and online marketing, financial plans, and so much more. It starts with the vision. So don't be afraid of all the other things. It starts with the vision. Now that you know the problem, the possibility, the principle, and the path to yoga entrepreneurship, plan to create your own yoga business around what you desire. Fortunately, there are mentors, there are workshops all around the world, and just like the Yoga Entrepreneur Workshop that my business partner Yogi Jazz and I have created to support you, we created a 6-week intensive so that you not only have the outlines of what successful entrepreneurs who want to be on magazines like we have, who want to be paid hundreds of dollars per hour like we have. So we give you not only that, we also give you access to our templates, including contracts, waivers, resource list of companies ready to work with yoga teachers. So if you're looking for a mentor, you can look into our program or look for a mentor that gives you what's going to fit into your vision. If you want to join us, for a limited time, we have a free yoga influencer seminar where we offer 90 minutes with us focused on techniques for creating intentional content to align yourself with brand ambassador partnerships that pay. So if you have time, if you're watching this video and you still have time to join our seminar, sign up for free while space is available in the description below. And if you found even just one point in this video useful, I gave very many. I didn't want to give you too much because that can be confusing. So if you found even just one point useful, share this on Facebook, share it in your email to a yoga teacher friend so that you can spread awareness of the possibility and the abundance that we all have access to in the yoga industry, expected to exceed $215 billion by 2025. So yes, there's enough for you, there's enough for your yogi friends, there's enough for all of us. And I value your perspectives, your questions, your recommendations, so please put them in the comments if you have any that came up for you. My name's Alicia. Peace. World peace through inner peace.
Black yogis matter. We are changing the world one shirt at a time. Be a part of the movement, a part of the revolution, and get your shirt in the description below.